Do you want to run an AI model and a complete server or a website on your Android phone? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how you can start your own AI model and host a web server, which can be accessed anywhere on the internet. The first thing is to download the APK that is available on the GitHub repository. The name of the app is Server Edge, and this is actually Google's AI Edge app, and it is modified app. I have given the link in the description. Once this is done, you have multiple options available for AI models. You can choose any model that you want and download it. Now, one thing to notice it is the size of download and also the minimum RAM requirement. Once this is done, you need to make sure that you are downloading the model. In case if you have certain custom models, you can click on the import button and import the custom model. Once this is done, you need to make sure that you have added the model in your phone, and it is done. So downloading the model takes a lot of time because the size of the model is 1.8 GB and the minimum RAM requirement for DeepSeek R1 is minimum 6 GB of RAM. So once the model is downloaded, you just have to load it. Now by default, this app actually works with Cloudflare and ngrok. So if you have an API, you can add an ngrok API. Otherwise, you can directly use Cloudflare, which does not require any kind of API. I'll show you how to use it and how to access the AI server anywhere on the internet. Once you have downloaded the required models, click on the load model button. This will basically load the whole model inside the RAM of your phone, and it will work in background. So let's load the model. You might have to add in background running permissions. Once you do that, you will be able to load the model. Now in the server section, once the model is loaded, you can test the chats. It is initializing the model and it might take some time depending on the configuration of your phone. As you can see, the model is now loaded and I will test the AI chat. So as you can see, it works completely offline and the model is completely running in the background. Now in the server section, first thing is you need to select the internet terminal. So the Cloudflare does not take any internet, so you can host it either locally or on the internet. So I've just started the server by clicking on server running, and then below you will notice that internet location or the host name is provided, which can be accessed anywhere on the internet. Now due to some reason, Cloudflare might not work in your case. In that case, turn off the server, turn it on again, and you will get a new tunnel and a new host name. Even after that, if it does not work, you need to use the ngrok credentials, that is API request and token, to get it loaded. You can test it locally, you can test it externally. For external test, it can be accessed anywhere on the internet. So let's say if you just add in and start the server and keep your phone charged and keep it inside your home or in your room, and you can access the server remotely from anywhere on the internet. So that's all. We have our own AI server running on our phone and it is completely available on the internet. In case if it still does not work, I would recommend you to use the ngrok, or you can add in your Cloudflare credential and host it directly. So that's all for this video. By the way, again, it's me Priyank. Please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.